Hello, did you get a chance to watch the Belgium Grand Prix? Let's get into this. This is one fan's opinion. In case you didn't get a chance to watch the race, this is how the grid started. First place, Antonelli. Second place, Verstappen. Third, Norris. Fourth, Russell. Fifth, Leclerc. Sixth, Hamilton. That's the way the race started. After the first two corners, Verstappen takes Antonelli. And if that wasn't enough, Leclerc takes Verstappen. Antonelli's got first. It was a lot of jostling. At least for, well, no, the whole race was a lot of jostling. You'll see. Then, the next corner, Russell tries to take Hamilton on the outside. They clip. Russell spins off the track. He ends up in the gravel pit, and Hamilton continues with a damaged car. As you can see here, Russell is trying to take Hamilton on the outside. Hamilton's front collides with Russell's side, and then the rear tire, spinning him out of control. Off. So that was the end of Russell's race. Hamilton gets a 5-second penalty, even though he had the race line. But we'll get into that. All of that was lap 1. And there were several more tags. Carlos Sainz, Oliver Behrman, there were a bunch of other tags. In lap 5, you can see the race leader is Antonelli. Then you've got Leclerc, Verstappen, Piastri, Hamilton. 10th, you've got Norris. There's Verstappen, you've got Piastri. Hamilton takes Piastri quite easily, as a matter of fact, and starts the charge on Verstappen. Lap 6, Verstappen takes Leclerc to get into second place. So Antonelli, Verstappen, Leclerc. Hamilton was down in 5th place. Piastri did end up getting back ahead of him, which put him in 5th place. Then in lap 8, Piastri tries to take Leclerc, and the two contact. So you can see here, Leclerc got ahead, Piastri fell back, and Hamilton is right there to capitalize. Leclerc did not get penalized, but Hamilton got penalized for that earlier incident. But that's a story for another video. Take a look at this photo. Piastri's trying to take Leclerc. There's clearly not enough room, and you can see the smoke because the two tires collided. I want to say something about the FIA, but I think I'll hold off for another video. Lap 19, Antonelli comes into the pit, which drops him down to 5th place. And you have, because of the damage to Piastri's car, Norris was able to catch up. And the two did a little bit of battling, but Norris was able to pull away because Piastri's car was damaged. Lap 21, there was a safety car, so Ferrari came in, Leclerc came in, Hamilton came in. But remember I said that Hamilton had that 5-second penalty? He had to serve that before he could get back out. In doing so, Leclerc was able to come out back in 1st place. So yes, Leclerc was ahead. Hamilton, of course, fell from 2nd place down a couple of places because 1, everybody else is coming in for their pits, and 2, he has to serve that 5-second penalty. Lap 26, Antonelli catches the race, what was the race leader during all of the pits and everything. That is Lando Norris. He catches him, passes him, which pushes Antonelli into 2nd place behind Leclerc. So you had, in lap 26 out of 44, you had Leclerc, Norris, Antonelli, Verstappen, Piastri, Hamilton. But as I said, Norris and Antonelli switched places in lap 26. Small interjection. There was so much going on that, as you can see here, 3 wide in one part of the track. Everyone is pushing hard. Carlo Pinto, Pierre Gasly, and Liam Lawson. 3 wide. Lap 31, Norris comes in for a pit, and they have problems. The pit crew has problems with the left rear tire, which ate up a good amount of time for it, the poor guy. Oh, Norris. Oh, I feel for you, man. Lap 34, Antonelli catches the race leader, Charles Leclerc, and takes him. Oh. Lap 40, Hamilton catches Piastri and takes him. Hamilton goes from 5th to 4th place. So lap 44, the end of the race, Antonelli takes it once again. That is number 6. Wow. Wow. So Antonelli comes in 1st, Leclerc comes in 2nd, Verstappen comes in 3rd, Hamilton comes in 4th, Piastri comes in 5th, Norris is in 7th. And that's the way the Belgian Grand Prix went down. Spa. Red Bull's track. Thanks for watching One Fan's Opinion. And I'll see you in Hungary.